How to transfer money from Coinmarketcap to your bank account easily within some minutes just from your account. For this, you have to open the Coinmarketcap here on your browser, the website. And what you have to do is simply click on the right top corner of the screen, that is your profile option. And then you have to go to the setting, that is on the fourth option of this menu. Now, after clicking on the setting, here is an option. You should scroll down to the bottom of the screen, but there is nothing to withdraw or any option like this. So you have to come back to the home screen, and there you can add your bank account, or you can sell your assets to get wallet address. Now this is your wallet address. You should log into your account, and then you can set a wallet address with a bank account. After this process, you can easily withdraw your assets or your money available on your CoinMarketCap to your available local bank account. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates, reviews and videos like this.